Today we're going to be talking about Sensionics stock and my thoughts on where it's going to be going in the next week. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get started with the video, I just want to remind you guys that you can join our channel memberships where we're talking about our favorite stocks all the time, giving updates on stocks we like and all of that. So if you do want to start enjoying those channel memberships, then go ahead and click join on desktop version of YouTube. And if you guys want 2 free stocks worth up to $1,850, then go ahead and click the first link in the description and get signed up with WeBull. A real quick preface before the video, I actually had to go to the hospital for my throat as there was something really wrong with it. It was all closed up about a day ago. I do feel good enough to make this video, so I am going to be making it while my throat does hurt. So, just if it sounds a little bit weird, that's why. And yeah, I don't want you to feel bad for me or I don't want you guys to feel bad for me or anything. It's basically just to let you guys know if I sound weird. That's it. But without any further ado, let's get into ticker symbol SENS or Sensionics. So Sensionics is a penny stock that we make a lot of videos on because, for one, I like it. It has the FDA approval coming up for its 180-day version of their product. Right now they only have the 90-day version approved by the FDA. So that's going to be a major catalyst coming up. So I love talking about it because I do think that this will be going, to the moon sooner rather than later. But since I made this video, it has gone from $3.20 to about $2.61. So it has taken a pretty big drop. And in the video, I told everyone that this could be going down by the leading up to the FDA approval. But once FDA approval happens, that's when I think that Sensionics can, triple, do really good things. Really quick, I just want to respond to some of the comments because, it's really fun. The B-Hay Show, remember guys, this is a really good, channel. He's been blowing up recently, making 4 to 5 videos a day. So if you guys have already watched all my videos for the day, then go ahead and check him out. He's a really good dude. We got fake news, appreciate the coverage, Sense will rock it. And then this guy is what I really wanted to bring up. What do you mean by small and high position? And basically, a small position is going to be 1 to 5% of your account that you are basically putting a small position on this because you think it has potential, but you also don't want your account to be going to zero on like penny stocks with a lot of risk. So that's why I say a small position, and that's what I mean, 1 to 5%. And then lastly, Matthias Carrison said, I did go all in at $4 something. I'd take a chance. Only got this, have 4,000 shares. So he has 4,000 shares at $4. I'm never going to tell you what to do with your money, but I would think that Sensionics, as soon as they get FDA approval for their 180-day version of SENS, that they will, get back to the $4 range. But if you feel like you want to just move your money from that to somewhere else, then I totally understand, but we're never going to tell you what to do with your money because we're not financial advisors. And when I was researching stocks this morning, I came across this article that says, analyze Sensionics thoroughly before you feed the meme. There's both good and bad with Sensionics stock, and I agree with that sentiment, and I figured we can go over this article in today's video. In the first paragraph, the author talks about, although they generate tremendous attention, meme stocks do not exactly inspire confidence. Many of them to be euphemism for pump and dump schemes, and note that they're not called pump and dump schemes. Therefore, when the label attached itself to Sensionics, it wasn't the greatest endorsement for Sense stock. I wouldn't say that Sense is a meme stock. I never see this being talked about on Wall Street Bets or anything of that matter. It's literally just a penny stock that has FDA approval coming out, so it's very volatile. They then go over their business. Unlike other meme stocks that enjoy a low price tag because they're complete and utter garbage, Sensionics offers a fundamentally viable business, a blood sugar sensor for diabetes patients that's placed under the skin. And this is exactly what I've been trying to say all along, is that Sensionics is definitely a viable business that, as soon as they get FDA approval for the 180-day version, will begin to sell even more of their product, increase revenue and profit margin. The second thing they bring up is beyond the convenience aspect, the under the skin sensor improves overall quality of life for diabetes patients. A sensor can alert the user if blood sugar levels reach a critical point. Also, the device can provide meaningful analytics, providing key feedback regarding the impact of dietary and exercise regimens. So yeah, basically we've already gone over this in prior videos, so if you guys want to, go see a more in-depth analysis of the company and their fundamentals, then you can go watch those. But basically, yeah, so it basically monitors your blood sugar levels in a way that no other company is really doing it, which is more effective. And the third thing they bring up is that Sensionics applied for approval for the FDA administration. It needs this before the company can launch the product. And I don't know how familiar this author is with Sensionics, but Sensionics already has the 90-day version of their EverSense with FDA approval. They're just waiting on the 180-day. So I don't know if this author is actually too familiar with this stock, if I'm going to be honest. But yeah. It then says that in terms of popular meme trades, Sensionics is head and shoulders above the rest. And I want to remind you guys, I don't categorize Sensionics as a meme stock. It's not. It's just a penny stock. I think that a lot of these authors, especially on Investor Place, are starting to actually categorize penny stocks that have actual business models and are good as just meme stocks, which is not the case. This is a actual stock that has potential for growth in the future. But this is something very interesting that they bring up. It says, to me, it seems that the investment community has given up on the idea that Sensionics will receive FDA approval anytime soon. And I would agree, because it going from $3.20 to now at about $2.80, I feel like a lot of people are giving up because it's taken a while to actually get that FDA approval. But I expect FDA approval for the 180-day version of EverSense in this summer. So if you guys aren't willing to hold until the summer and you're expecting FDA approval even sooner than that, I would just, maybe move your money to another place. But at the end of the day, I'm never going to tell you to make that decision. So yeah. He then says that he's personally going to pass as it seems the hype begins to fade. And, I totally respect this guy's opinion. For me, this has always been a long-term hold. This thing can go down 30-40%. But at the end of the day, once they do get the FDA approval, this thing is going to be flying. So, maybe it's a swing trade when that happens, or even just a day trade, scalp it when it happens. But at the end of the day, you have to make that decision for yourself. As for my overall thoughts on Sensionics, there are no upcoming catalysts for this stock, and that is why I think that we can see Sensionics trading in the $2 range for the next couple of months. So if you're looking for a quick turnaround on this stock, I'm sad to say that I don't think that this will, be going up 25-30% in this next month. But once we get FDA approval, I think this thing could be seeing the $4, $5, even $6 range. So there is 100% upside on this stock if you are willing to wait the couple of months that it's going to take to get FDA approval. The FDA is backed up right now, and I'm sure that, they are prioritizing other things above Sensionics right now. So that is just something to think about. But as for my overall thoughts, I like Sensionics, and once they get FDA approval, I will sell and then wait for the price to settle down. But I do like the long-term 3 to 5 year outlook of Sensionics. So yeah, those are my overall thoughts. But I want to remind you guys that I'm not a financial advisor and that this is not financial advice. If you do want financial advice, make sure you seek it out from a professional financial advisor. And if you want 2 free stocks and you have not made an account with WeBull yet, what are you doing? You got to get in the pre-market and after hours with us. All you got to do is make an account, deposit $100, and you can get 2 free stocks worth up to $1,850. Almost ran out of breath there. But that is going to be it for me today. If you did enjoy, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm and it shows we're doing something right here. But my name is Zach, and I'll see you in the next video.